Hello everyone, today I will give you a brief overview of our new model, the Casino Hotel Financial Model Excel template. The model starts with the input sheet. The input sheet contains all the important assumptions about your business that you have to change according to your company's data, and the model will update the calculations accordingly. The pieced fill columns are the input that you have to change, for example, the company name, the starting date, and then the investment from owner, the amount of the investment and the month in which the investment, and then the investment from investor 1 and 2, and same the amount in month. And then we have the loan assumptions, the amount, month, interest rate yearly, and the terms in months. The monthly installment is calculated. Cost and price increase rate. Rooms revenue, this is the peak season assumption, like the occupancy above this peak season rates will be applied when the occupancy rate is 85 or greater than 85. Then we have types of room, type 1, type 2, type 3, and then the number of rooms of that particular type, and then the average price per room during peak season and during regular season, and the housekeeping cost per room per day. Gaming revenue, okay, so the percentage of occupied rooms who will avail the gaming facility. We have divided the gaming facility into two types, table games and slot machines. So the percentage of outside customers and the room customers, obviously you are going to have the room customers who are going to stay in the hotel, as well as customers who are not going to stay but they are going to play the games. So this is the average handle for average handle, and then the cost as a percentage of revenue for the games. Then we have the bar, restaurant, and spa and other activities. So the percentage of occupied rooms who will avail the bar facility, restaurant, and spa facility, this is the percentage, and the outside visitors or customers who are going to avail the same facility. And then the price and cost for the above categories. And then we have the corporate tax rate, and then the account receivables and payables days. So the revenue analysis sheet estimates the occupancy rate for weekdays, weekends, occupied rooms, and then the revenue for rooms, gaming, bar, food services, spa and other activities, and the cost of sales for both. The expense input contains the assumptions related to expenses like operating expenses, employees payroll, and capital expenditures. Enter the data in pieced fill columns. Here you can select the department through the drop down list. Then we have supporting details. The supporting detail sheet contains all the calculations needed to make the financial statements. So it contains operating expenses, employees payroll, depreciation, loan schedule, and working capital. Moving on to the financial statements. So the financial statement contain income statement. The income statement estimates the profitability of the company. The cash flow statement estimates the cash you will generate from operating, investing, and financing activities, and the balance sheet evaluates the position of the company. The financial analysis sheet contains break-even analysis, that is the break-even point when there is no profit and no loss, financial ratio, solvency, liquidity, profitability, and efficiency ratios, and the project evaluation like the net present value of the company and the payback period. And then we have the sensitivity analysis, that is when we will change the revenue and cost of goods sold, what will be the impact on the income statement, and the payback period and the net present value of the company. And finally we have the dashboard to visually represent the company's performance. So if you wish to buy this model, you can go to our website oakbusinessconsultant.com and can purchase this template. Thank you so much for watching.